everybody, welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas Activities by Artsy, Craftsy, Mom, and me. Our day 3 activity is to make a stocking out of a rice bag. This sounds really cool, so let's get started. So we will need a rice bag, scissors, a stapler, and some decorations. First, we'll start off by cutting the base of the rice bag. Now we're going to put the rice bag and cut following this line. Now we're going to fold our rice bag in half. Now we're going to draw the stocking. Here is our stocking. Now we're going to cut it. Here it is. Now I'm going to flip it and staple all the sides except the top. Here it is. Now we're going to turn it inside out. This is how it looks. Now we're going to use some stickers to decorate our stocking. Now we're going to use some red beads to make snowflakes. Here's our Christmas stocking. I hope you enjoyed making this Christmas stocking with me. Follow us on our page to see the upcoming videos. Sure, remember to try this out and send the picture in the comment section. Bye! See you next time!